How do you repost a post on LinkedIn? So today I'm going to show you how you can share a post, which is now called Repost, on LinkedIn. Let's get started. So go to your homepage on LinkedIn and scroll down till you find a post that really stands out to you. So let me scroll down and see if there's something that I like. Okay, let's just look at this post. So I'm going to show you how you can repost this post. So this is a post by Julia Jones, and say I want to repost her post. So below her post, you'll see like, comment, repost. Now I can like the post, I can comment, and I can also repost it. But right now I'm just going to show you how to repost. You click on repost, and LinkedIn pulls up these two options. So you can repost with your thoughts, or you can repost without your thoughts. So you can either just click repost and it will show up in other people's news feed, but it will still show the post by Julia Jones. Okay? But you can repost with your thoughts if you want to create a new post, because sometimes when you're thinking of creating content and you're not sure what kind of content to create, but there are people in your network whose content you really enjoy. They create content for your target audience. They create content in your area of expertise, in your industry. They're thought leaders with similar skills to yours, or skills that you would like to share with your network. So then you could repost it, as I said, directly, or you can repost with your thoughts. And when you do that, it creates a new post. So this is a post idea as well for you, reposting other people's posts. So then LinkedIn will show that post, but above that will say, start writing or use at to mention people, companies, or schools. So one tip I always share is that you mention the person's post that you're reposting. And then what do you put in that repost? So you could ask a question. You could use a statement from her post. So I could click on more and see what she has to say. For many years, so keep on working. So this is for someone who is an expat in Denmark and wants to learn Danish. So, I could say again, my target audience isn't just folks in Denmark, but say I was living in Denmark. I moved to Denmark and I wanted to start showcasing posts about the Danish language, about navigating life in Denmark. So then I could say something like, here, want to get in. I could do something like, want to get inspired with improving your Danish language skills, question mark. Then I'd say something like Julia Jones. So her name will show up here. So I'll just tag her. Julia Jones, post has some key tips. Okay. And then I would click the post button. So this is a very simple way of curating your content, finding other people's posts that speak to your audience, tagging them, and then posting it. So that person, Julia Jones in this case, will get a notification saying that her post was reposted by me. My audience will see this post and then they'll comment on my post after reading Julia Jones' content as well. So let me know in the comments what kind of posts or what kind of repost you like doing. Do you like reposting directly, or do you like reposting with your thoughts? And if you like this video and want to see more quick LinkedIn tips like this one, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and watch more videos on tips on how you can leverage LinkedIn to build your authority, showcase your thought leadership, and grow your network. Thank you.